What's up, everybody? I have a special announcement. It's so wild, it'll make 2020 look like a good year. Come on down to an event so crazy absolutely no one is talking about it yet. Red Bull Monster Budweiser, not Corona, presents MASH-MOSH Motorcycle Mania 2020. There will be a ball of death with 138 riders inside and no survivors. First 100 fans can get punched square in the jaw. Get a free soda of your choice with $10 hamburger purchase. You'll get to meet your favorite riders like Helmet McHelmetface, Wheel McGee, and even the Ghost Rider himself, Nicolas Cage, but not really. Electric motors aren't allowed, but this will be the most fun you've had on two wheels. How did we fit this much fun on two wheels? We did it! There's gonna be a lot of motorcycles there, no telling how many wheels there will be. There might even be 100,000 wheels, but probably not. That would be 50,000 motorcycles and we don't have that kind of parking. Your ticket gets you one free entry to the raffle of a brand new Honda Grom that was wrecked and set on fire. And if that isn't enough, there's gonna be extra events like motorcycle jousting, a helmet throwing competition, and even rev battles! So you can show off that obnoxiously loud exhaust you got for Christmas. This isn't your normal Coachella, but you'll be there for 6 days. Sleeping bags permitted. And if you manage to make it to the end of day 6, there will be an actual beer chugging competition with, once again, no survivors. If you stay any later than day 6 and you wake up on day 7, you will be publicly executed. This event is not for the faint of heart. Children under 6 admitted free. There will even be a free petting zoo. No petting allowed. Thanks a lot, Carl. The main racetrack is open for fast riders only. If you're caught slowing down under 150, you will be shot on sight. It's gonna be one event you can't forget, because it'll be tattooed on you. That's right, free tattoos. And if this sounds too good to be true, ticket prices can't even be advertised, they're so high. Taxes and fees may apply. No, they will apply. You'll pay those taxes. But call the number on screen with your social security card ready. Medical personnel will be on site, but only used in emergencies. Broken bones are not an emergency. If you do any sort of burnout or rev battle in the parking lot, you will be smashed with a brick. It's all this and so much more. Only at MASH-MOSH Motorcycle Mania. Come on down, or don't, we'll find you. These statements had not been evaluated by the FDA.